Hello folks, I am working on the next section for my Data 360 course, which is based on the Document AI. Those who don't know what is Document AI, it is a way of extracting the structured information from the unstructured document. So for this particular section, I will be working on the use case where on the contact record, I will be putting one button using which user can go and upload the file. So here I will be asking the user to upload their KYC document. When they clicked on done and then they clicked on next button, here I am showing the preview of the uploaded file that has been uploaded by the user. Now here you can see the complete file where I do have the details available in the unstructured form. What I want here is all these details should be extracted and then put it in a structured form for me so that the contact record can directly be uploaded using this KYC document. Now when the user will come here and click on the next button, and this is where the magic will happen. At the back end, I will be calling the document AI and getting the details from the document AI. And here you can see that this is how I am getting the structured response in the form of JSON with the help of document AI. Then have put some parsing logic and then I will be extracting the data from that JSON, and this is how that information is coming up. Now on this screen, I can go and update the phone number in case I don't want to go and keep the same phone number, or this is the screen where user can go and validate whatever the information that has been extracted from the document, whether it's correct or not. And this is how we are also keeping the human in loop whenever we are working on the AI related use cases. And then the user can go and click on the next button and all those details has been uploaded at the contact record. When you go and click on the finish button, you can see that the phone number and the email has been automatically populated here. How to go and build this, I will explain as a step-by-step approach in my Data 360 course, which is available on the Udemy. The link for this course is available in the video description. Do check it out. Thank you.